Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card here at the Redmi Note 15 5G. For that you will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find here another white box, and if you open it here you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want here at the other side, or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle, no? Place it like this here. Press it well, that it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, optional, you can add also now a second SIM card. Here at the other side at the SIM tray. So you need to place it like this then, and press it well now from both sides so that both SIM cards are well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So the SIM card is having a missing corner, and it belongs to the missing corner here at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are as well here on top. Okay. Yeah, and if you want, you can add also here microSD card to extend the internal storage, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card, because this microSD card requires the full space here. So let me remove the second SIM card to insert now here the microSD card. Press it well from both sides, as we have learned. You hear a little click noise. And this is how it should look like here with the microSD card inserted. It only fits like that then, and the contacts, they are on top here as well. Yeah, and whatever you want to insert now here at the phone, one SIM card or one SIM card with a microSD card or two SIM cards, insert now your SIM tray back into the SIM slot. So the first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now, close it well, and now that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.